Yo. Yo.
Triumphant entry, no chariot. Brothers switch sides, that's Judas is scarier. Tired of holding work on the low at the Marriott. Oops, I mean Marriott, the flow get very hot. Pressure on these demons like cops interrogating rooms. Light of the world, shine on, Joe, stay tuned. Don't touch that dial, this is just a waiting room. Waiting on my Lord to come back, he's so faithful. Even when I'm not though, road full of potholes. That devil trying to see me in the oven like a pot roast. Guess he never heard of Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego. Almost crapped out, natural. That's 10 or 4, maybe it was 6 or 8. Shout out to my running mates, back when I was under 8. Before I learned to run this race, I promised, dawg, we under grace. I said I promised, dawg, we under grace. Yeah, we still don't deserve it. Liars, thieves, heart full of murder. Why that devil so nervous? I'm in the word, dawg, be of good courage. Yeah, I said we still don't deserve it. Liars, thieves, heart full of murder. But why that devil so nervous? I'm in that word, dawg, be of good courage. Be of good cheer, fast and pray, don't faint though. Flashback, county jail, monitor on your ankle. Crying out to God, please Lord, tell him let me go. I promise I won't do it again if they just send me home. Seen him at the town pump, or maybe it was Circle K. I was in the Acura, maybe it was a SRT. Gotta show him love, same way that God did for me. Told him Jesus loved you, but dawg, we expected better things. Gave my bro a big hug, hit him off with a little change. Told him come through, men's meeting on a Monday. I think it was a Saturday, he said I'm doing bad today. I asked God for help, you showed up, this an act of grace. On the front lines, over time, it's an act of faith. No hypocrites, real deal, no actor stays. What you see is what you get, dawg, no masquerades. Gotta hold it down until the day I see my master's face. We still don't deserve it. Liars, thieves, heart full of murder. Why that devil so nervous? I'm in the word, dawg, be of good courage. Yeah, I said we still don't deserve it. Liars, thieves, heart full of murder. But why that devil so nervous? I'm in that word, dawg.